as people, as coming together, we can really define what we want to do, the kinds of impact that we want to create in our communities. I mean, I was just on stage really sharing the intersection between art, culture and experiences, and in the end, at the heart of what we do is about community. It's about bringing people together to kind of generate new futures that we all want to be part of, in conversations with artists, in conversations with technologists, in conversations with brands, essentially, to really define these new narratives that we want to be part of. We're all experiencing really challenging moments at the moment. I mean, between a lot of suspicion about AI to about governments and, politics and the economy and all of that. What we feel, that's kind of central is that, as people, as coming together, we can really define, what we want to do, the kinds of impact that we want to create in our communities, in our societies, and in a way the intersection of art, culture, as well as, I think, brands who believe that, it's just not about selling one product or a program or whatever, but in the end it's about why we matter what we do, thinking about the long-lasting impact to the communities that we want to be part of.